Hey guys, we're back with Pierre Cardin Cadillac Eldorado, 1981, as Grant would say. And where I currently am removing the water pump. So the old one is right there. I still gotta take the hose off, but I have the new one out unboxed. I have the bolts and their locations and where they go, so I can just slap this back in the car. The new gasket, which I wish was that blue, the Valpro or whatever. I'm not too sure what it's called. I wish that is what we had, but we don't. So we have this, and it was folded in the box. It was folded there, and I believe it was folded on here. But yeah, so that's silicone. That's stuck there. I'll take that hose off. And then we're gonna figure out the batteries here. So we gotta run the cable and get it all connected. And yeah, so the thermostat housing. I don't know if we showed you guys that. Scotty, did you see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's deplorable at best.
It's yummy. And then the old thermostat.
Yeah.
But we have a new one of that and that. That's actually coming from like Saudi Arabia or something.
Yeah, that's what Bobby
Yeah.
told me. Apparently there's a GM guy in Saudi Arabia that only deals with factory OEM parts from a small chunk of time frame on GMs and Cadillacs.
Yeah, and he'll have it to us in like 5 days from Saudi Arabia.
But yet we couldn't get it here in the United States. Makes no sense to me. None.
Anyways, yeah, I'll just I'll slap that water pump in. It's pretty much set up. And then yeah, I'll put there's this little plastic piece that the timing thing.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta put that back in and then
So we'll
probably
clean it up
a
real
little
good.
bit.
Because it looks like it's supposed to be blue. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not blue anymore. I mean, a lot of this engine is a little dirty down there. See?
Oh yeah, it's been. Well,
I want to know who painted this. I'd like to have a word with you.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll get back to you guys. What do we say?
Vaya con Dios.